Everyone, today in this video, if you are thinking about to add the payment account on Meesho Creator Club, you don't know how to add and it's asking right now, then what you need to do is that you just need to move on the profile. After that, you have to click on the open option. Next, you have to move on this add payment detail. Here it shows the my name and my UPI, and if it doesn't shows here, then you can add the bank account, but I would like to add this only. So I just click on confirm and proceed. After that, it says the enter the OTP, send you register the number. So let's enter the OTP. So I have copied the OTP. So now it's verify option. So here I have verified, and let's click on the confirm. Here, as you can see, it's verified. The green color shows, and here it says please add a valid the PAN number. So you have to add the PAN card number. So let's add the PAN card number. So here I have add my PAN number, and here it says I have GST number. If you have, then you can select, but I don't have, so I didn't select. Okay, now let's confirm. So here it's confirm. You can even edit the detail if you want to add. Now confirm. This is how you can add the payment detail on Meesho app. So friends, hope you love the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.